Hello, I'm Tom Hartman, President and CEO of ISPE. I wanted to share with you the unprecedented content of ISPE's upcoming Virtual Biotechnology Conference taking place September 22nd through the 24th. Hear from well-versed subject matter experts and senior industry leaders on a number of topics including quality, regulatory, and technical aspects for the manufacturing of cell and gene therapies, vaccines against COVID-19, and their timely scale-up on the adenovirus platform. You'll hear about chimeric antigen receptors, or CAR-T, supply chain implications and challenges with these modalities, as well as cost of goods reduction through the deployment of process intensification techniques and continuous manufacturing of traditional monoclonal antibodies. Manufacturing facilities challenges and conversions to more flexible operations capable of supporting these multiple product modalities while avoiding costly capital investments will also be discussed. Frankly speaking, the content featured in this 3 half-day format is unmatched in terms of the breadth and depth of the relevant and timely large molecule topics. Hear firsthand from regulators and their perspectives on the latest innovations and industry challenges that we together face while accelerating transformational medicines to patients. The conference will also feature 2 90-minute workshops covering CMC control strategies and technology transfer, as well as ATMPs, facility, and related GMP challenges. Join me as we together discover and learn new approaches to solving the most complex industry challenges and shape the future of the industry.